So one of our clients, we met them and they said, Miss Pooja, we want to consult about, we are taking a new office. Can you just check? So after that I told him, sir, in this direction, whatever the home and office you are taking, both, he was taking both, this office will make you run through some business which is related to banking. And he says, no, I'm running a restaurant and I'm running a chartered accountancy company. I said, this direction will attract you more on banking stuff. So he says, no, my profession is this. So I checked the directions and I gave him the consultation, and next day he visited the office. We had a detailed discussion. Everything went well. By the time 1 week we make our report and we call the client for a meeting, the client came to us and saying, Miss Pooja, we recently just got a call from some bank and they are asking for us to open and work for them as a DSA. And it was a surprise element for him because he has no experience, he's running other stuff. Then I spoke to the client. I said, sir, your restaurant business is in loss and your other chartered accountancy work is also not giving the best of the growth which you expect. And the client agreed to that point. Then I asked the client, I said, sir, you're already at the verge of change. That's why you have met us now. So why don't you work with this project? He says, I don't have any experience. It's just me and my wife and few staff. I said, go ahead. We did the work for their offices and the new home which they have taken, but their life has shifted after that. Today, after 6 years, they don't have 1, 2, 3, they have 23 offices, and we are the fixed consultant for them. Everything, the new office, we have been part of their growth. We have been part of their journey also, like from where they were, closing the old one and coming to the new era, and then finding the right path, what they are made for, finding the right thing, what they will do in the life. If you found this interesting and you want to learn more such tips to energize your spaces for growth and prosperity in all the fields, we are having a workshop on the secrets of Vastu and Feng Shui for success, prosperity and health. I'm S. Pooja, a healer, author, speaker and entrepreneur, and help 1,000+ clients prosperous by simply improving their spaces. If you're someone who's looking to grow and prosperous in all the fields of your life, I invite you to my workshop where you will learn the potential root cause hindering your growth and prosperity due to spaces. 10 secrets anyone can use to improve 75% energies of their homes and workspaces. What is Vastu and its importance to 10x health, abundance, relationship and emotions. 5 ways to balance positive and negative energies in your home and workspaces. Health issues due to imbalance in Ayurveda in your spaces and how do we balance that. Importance of Vastu in our lives and much more. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life with the right spaces and the right energy.